Welcome to Eurotech in Brooksville, Florida. Custom solutions and turnkey center, parts and tooling warehouse, free lifetime training and support. The parts and tooling for our advanced multi-axis technology is sourced directly from our factory in Italy, with over 97% stocked at our facility in Florida, then redistributed across North America, ensuring the parts ship out the same day you place your order. Faster shipping. Local support. Our industry-leading engineering and phone support are here to assist you quickly and efficiently, connecting you with engineers and technical support with the move of a finger. That's for you, we'll never be alone. Our team of engineers and technical support will be at your side guiding you and helping you anytime you need it. With a trusted network of distributors nationwide, we make sure you get everything you need on time. Eurotech ensure local service is always within reach, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. Since our founding, we've proudly offered a free lifetime training to all our costumers. It's one more way we stand by our commitment to your success.